Hey besties, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today we're doing something fun, something transformative, and totally free. We're going to glow up in just 7 days with $0. No fancy products, no spa trips, and definitely no credit card needed. You in? Let's do this. Day 1 is all about the reset. Think of it as your Control-Alt-Delete moment. First, clean your space. Tidy room, tidy mind. You don't need anything special. Just put on some music and declutter whatever's around you. Then take a long shower. Not just to get clean, but to mentally refresh. Exfoliate if you can, even if it's just using a washcloth. Clip your nails, shape your eyebrows, moisturize your skin. Little details, big difference. And while you're at it, drink a full glass of water. Hydration is one of the easiest ways to start glowing. Day 2 is about unplugging and setting your intentions. Try a mini digital detox. No social media for 8 hours. It might feel strange, but your brain will thank you. Use that time to journal or just reflect. Ask yourself how you want to feel by the end of the week. What's one thing you can improve each day? This isn't about becoming perfect. It's about feeling more like your best self. Day 3 is for movement. No gym, no pressure. Just move your body. Stretch, walk, dance, do a workout video. Even 10 or 20 minutes can completely change your mood. Moving helps clear your mind, improves your posture, and brings energy back into your body. That alone can make you feel and look more radiant. Also, take a second to smile at yourself in the mirror. It might feel silly, but it's actually powerful. Your glow starts with how you see yourself. Day 4 is your nutrition day. You don't need to buy anything new. Just work with what you already have. Drink more water. Again, look for ways to swap out snacks for real food. Maybe oats instead of cereal, or roasted vegetables instead of chips. Chew slower, eat mindfully. When your body feels nourished, your skin, your energy, and even your sleep improve. You're literally feeding your glow. Day 5 is for self-care. Take your time today. Open the windows, let in fresh air, do a face mask if you have ingredients at home, or just wash your face, comb your hair, and take care of your body. But remember, self-care isn't just skincare. It's reading, resting, doing something that makes you feel grounded. Taking care of your mental space is just as important as taking care of your face. Day 6 is all about confidence. Today, look in the mirror and say 3 things you like about yourself. Say them out loud. Even if it feels weird, do it. Maybe you like your eyes, your sense of humor, your patience. Whatever it is, own it. Then practice walking like you believe it. Shoulders back, head up, breathe fully. Confidence doesn't cost a thing, and it changes everything. Day 7 is your final check-in. You've shown up for yourself all week. Take a moment to notice how you feel. What worked? What habits made you feel better? Which ones can you keep going forward? Maybe it's drinking more water, journaling, or just taking 5 minutes each morning to breathe and stretch. Keep what helped, let go of the rest. And take a photo today. Not for social media, but for yourself. A reminder of how you committed to your own glow, without spending a cent. So there you have it. 7 days, $0, and a glow that comes from showing up for yourself. You don't need a product to become powerful. You don't need a new outfit to feel confident. What you need is already inside you. A little effort, a little time, and a whole lot of intention. If this helped, share it with someone else who might need a reminder that their glow up doesn't have to cost a thing. You are always enough. This was just the polish. Until next time.